Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the Mycelium Resistance HQ. First, ensure you have completed the introductory quests that hint at the Resistance's existence. Next, speak with any non-player characters in safe zones who mention unusual activity or hidden groups. They often provide the first crucial piece of information, like a general direction or a specific landmark. Always keep an eye out for subtle environmental clues. To proceed, search for the distinctive Mycelium Resistance symbol, often found etched on walls or rocks in less traveled areas. These symbols typically point towards the next clue or the general direction of their hidden base. Following these subtle markers is key. Additionally, having a reliable map and a compass will significantly reduce your search time and prevent you from getting lost in unfamiliar territory. The Mycelium Resistance HQ entrance is usually well hidden, often appearing as a natural cave, an overgrown ruin, or a cleverly disguised rock face. Look for slight inconsistencies in the environment. You might need to activate a hidden switch or solve a small, straightforward puzzle to reveal the path. Once inside, follow the illuminated path for about 50 meters. It will lead you directly to the main chamber. Upon entering the main chamber, you will immediately recognize the Mycelium Resistance HQ by its unique setup and the presence of several Resistance members. Look for the central command console or the leader, who is usually positioned prominently. Approach them to confirm your arrival and offer your assistance. They will then provide you with your initial mission briefing, integrating you into their operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.